Alright, you're here with Matt Croy, wilderness reporter. Crikey, I can't believe I finally found it. It's African gray parrot, also known as the Pacificus erraticus. This thing's only found in the rainforests of West and Central Africa. Mostly found in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Let's get a closer look. Alright, now this bird was placed on the cities list in 1992 in Appendix 2. It's a beautiful, beautiful bird. When we'll move in, take a closer look at it. Now the reason this bird is endangered is because it's such a popular pet. I'll show you exactly why. Alright, I'm here with my buddy Gizmo, and as you can see he's a medium-sized bird. He likes to feed on the seeds, the leafy matter, and occasionally he'll eat a snail. And he likes the warm temperatures of the rainforest, lots of precipitation. Typically these birds like to lay eggs around every 4 months or so, because that's how long they take care of their young. They lay their eggs in intervals from every 3 days, and they typically lay 1 to 4 eggs every mating pattern. And as I was saying earlier, there's a trade for these birds, and there's a high demand for them. About 21% of them are removed from the rainforest globally every single year. And the population has been estimated to be from 680,000 to all the way up to 13 million. And the key organizations that help protect the survival of these species are the European Union and BirdLife International. And the reason these birds have been going through such a high demand for the pet trade because of their mimicry and their talking. Right now he's not saying much, but these birds, they've been known to mimic other types of birds, rain droplets, everything they hear. Basically, they can say anything that they really practice at. This is Matt Croy, and thank you for listening to my breaking news report. Alright, here I'm with my buddy Gizmo. As you can see, he's a medium-sized bird. Typically likes to feed on the seeds, the leafy matter, and occasionally he'll eat a snail or two.
Matt's bird has just pooped on his back. Stupid bird.